Good morning, children. Welcome to the online computer class. I am Preeti Kumar. Before we start, let us close our eyes and observe 2 minute silence to pray for the peace within and outside, and also pray for everyone's well being. Now open your eyes, children. Let's get started. In today's session, we are going to learn about printing and previewing a document. In our previous sessions, we have learned about several formatting effects, how to give change using those effects, and also we have learned how to edit our document. In today's session, first we will see what is print preview and how to preview a document, and then later on how to print a document. Now, children, as you see, I have typed some text here. Now I want to take a print out of it. So before printing, let me see how it will come as a printout. So for that matter, what you have to do, let us see what are the features of print preview. It helps us to modify the page margins. We can adjust the page margins according to your text, and also it helps us to change the page orientation. There are two types of page orientation in the Word. One is portrait, which is this style, and one is landscape. We'll see in the preview option only. If you want something in a horizontal form, then you can use landscape preview, landscape form. Okay, and then also it helps you to zoom your document to see what changes you can make in your document. So let us see how to preview our document. So we have to click on the file tab, then we have to go to print option, and then you see, as soon as you press the print option, you will see these many options here, and in your right hand side automatically your document comes on the screen. So as you see, this is showing the first page of page 3, because we have 3 printed pages. You can see here in the bottom, this is the current page, and we can see with this arrow what is the next page. So this is the next page. So you see here, children, in printing you can get this type of printout. So you see lots of space is coming here and it's not looking very nice, and even our 2 lines are moving in the next page. So we can adjust these 2 lines by reducing the space in between, right? So let's go back to our document and we'll make a change. So click on this arrow and come back to your document, and now you just see here is the space. So you just press the backspace key and move your text up. So automatically you see your text is moved upside and this page is now empty. So you can even delete this page. So just press the delete key and you will see the third page is automatically deleted. Now let us see, and now again we'll preview. Now it is coming. I think it is okay, fine, but you want to set some other settings. Let us see. So if you want to make some other changes, so now I want that my heading should come little big. So I can make it big by using font size, and even I want that my heading should come underline also. So we'll give underline, and even I want that my fonts should come little big. So I'll just select my text and go to home tab and go to font size and make it size little big. So I am taking 18. Now let us see again how it will come as a print out. So you just see So when we have increased, now it is, I think, coming quite good. But again, our lot of like 5 lines have moved in the next page, but I don't want to waste my page. I don't want to bring my text in the next page, so we have a option to change the margin settings. So children, you see here there are many settings. In the settings you can see this is normal margin. Normal margin means that, which I told you earlier also, page is having 1 inch space from all the 4 sides, top, bottom, left and right. So now I'll make it narrow. So you get so many type of settings over here. So you choose narrow. So this way now you see your text is little bit, yes, now it's coming in one page, but our heading has moved up. So let us go back and change it, bring it down, press the enter key and it will come down. So this way you see your page is set now. Now we'll go to print. Now children, you want to print all the pages, or now here you can see 2 of 2. Now we'll go to one page, page number 1. So you want, now I don't want to print this page. So simply I can choose the number. I can say page 2. I want to print the page 2. So this way I can print the page 2, or I just select this and say, and you just see the narrow margin when we have done. So it has already, our margins have decreased from 1 inch to ½ inch. You see from the all sides. Now you see, and by default the page size is always A4. So you can even change the page size according to your page which you are using. But normally we use always A4 size. Now I'll show you about the different type of orientation. So this is a portrait. By default it is always portrait. Now just go and see what it will show in the landscape form. So this is the landscape, means when you want something in horizontal manner, then you can choose, but I don't want this. So automatically I'll go back and say portrait orientation. Now children, this is a small paragraph on pollution, and I want to distribute among 5 students. So same page I want for 5 students. So what I can do, simply I can make the copies. So I'll go on the copies option and I will raise it to 5. So now this page will be printed for 5 times. So I'll get 5 copies of this page, and printed page is called hard copy. Okay, now finally you check again what you have done. So here I need page number 2 and I want print one side. It has also option you can print on the both side, but and our orientation is portrait, normal A4 size, margin is narrow. Now I am fine with this, and simply I'll click on the print option, and as soon as it print, it will start printing your document. I hope children all of you understood. So please go through with this and try to take out print out. Thank you.